Hello and welcome to a Terraria Let's Play. Today we are gonna go either exploring or mining. I've done it again. Pause recording. I am back. That's like a new friend. Anyway, I'm in my cemetery, which is kind of disgusting, but don't care what you all think. Hopefully my voice is a little bit better. I'm using a different microphone this time. Also, hopefully the background music is on. I'm going to turn it down. You might hear that. Yeah, so today is going to be a bit topsy-turvy. I don't really know what to record. I kind of just pressed the record button and just went with it. So yeah, I think I'm going to be either building some houses or going to build. I don't know actually. I need you guys to comment down below what you want me to do, because otherwise I will not move. I need it to be daytime. Nighttime annoys me. Okay. Some torches down here. What is this? Oh, this music's harder. There you go. What the heck has that zombie got on his head? Oh, he's got slime on his head. Lovely. Okay. No. Let's go get that special star thing that only lands at night. I heard they give you mana stars, which is in the right corner. Oh, this is a demon army. I think it's good. Ah! No. I guess. Oh god, that was disgusting. I don't like this guy. 46 health. I'm fighting you with your own arm. Well, your friend's arm, actually. Technically. Oh, good. Okay, the snowman music is better at night time. Whoa, this was green! Yeah. It's like a Jacksepticeye. Ooh, like a green and horrible. Oh, I was riding a demon on. I need lenses to spawn in the Eye of Cthulhu. I don't really know what it's called. I think that's one of the myth things. Oh, it's a lady. Lady's on there. This is probably dangerous doing it by night, but oh, this is a jester, I think. Oh, this one's fast. Come here. Die. Zombie banner. Whoa. I'm getting all sorts of things from these zombie guys. It's cool. Whoa. I just come to like a random wall. Oh, it's that ginormous tree. It's a ginormous tree. It's not that giant. That'd be good for a tree house. I got another zombie armor. Are they rare? I don't know. Anyway, if you join my world, you can have a zombie arm if you want. By the way, this cost me $6.99 on Steam. So yeah. Well, actually, I got it in a holiday deal sort of thing. So I got it for not £2. Yeah, £2.09p, I think, which is like lots of money off. Oh, wrong one. I need you because I need your lens. I need your lenses. I need your time. And everything's wrong. You make it wrong. Feel so high. I better not get copyrighted for singing. I'd like to sing actually. Oh, I need to put some torches in my grave place. Do you reckon the reason all these zombies are spawning is because they've got a graveyard? It's kind of spooky, isn't it? Really? It's kind of demonic. Well, what just happened? Oh, it's nothing again. A demon eye. Don't like demon eyes. Oh, there's two. Oh, lens. Terraria. Yeah, that's it. Another lens. Nice. How many lenses have I got? Oh, 2. I need 6 to create the eye Cthulhu. I think I'm pronouncing that. Ooh, quick shackle. Is that from a zombie? Well, it must be. I got it from a zombie. Is it a equipable thing? You'd think a shackle would be. Yeah, equipable. What's it do? Plus 4 movements need. Material, 1 defense, equipable. Add me defense. That's good. Oh, buddy! Penguin! I love penguins. I like how I just say that after I just killed one. How many fallen stars we got? Oh no. I've got any of these chests actually. I don't have one of my chests. Let's go and check. Oh! I just heard one. I just heard one. Oh! That's cool. I was like following up, going. Like jumping. Another lens. I've got 3 lenses. I'm halfway there. Woo. By the way, I'm not going to take down the Eye of Cthulhu yet because Eye of Cthulhu is a boss and its bosses are hard and we're not doing a boss yet. Okay? Thank you. So first I'm going to be trying to do all sorts of different stuff first. Get myself equipped, maybe get some like gold armor. I will be taking down King Slime. Gosh, I've been doing a little bit of research on bosses, as you can see, because I have no idea before, and I don't know how many items are in this game. There's so many, so damn many. I don't know what time it is. 6 fallen stars. Disappears after sunrise. Oh. Yeah, what's that? Look at this tree. I can't do that. Oh, yes, this is cool. Yeah, I'll just press dirt back. Okay. Okay, this is annoying now. What's pickaxe thing? It's weird because some things are pickaxes and some things are axes. And It's just a whole weird aspect. A whole weird aspect. I don't know what just happened there. Ah, no. Oh, I just almost died. Fell off the tree. I fell off the tree. The tree. I fell off. I fell off the tree. Oh yeah. Bum bum boom. The boom boom boom. Boom 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 boom. Bam 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 bam. What's this guy called? Jake. Nice name, Jake. I don't like the name Jake, by the way. No, Tam, is it? No, it's M. I'm getting used to controls anyway. Okay, I think I'm gonna go and head Cactus. I swear my old guy was called Garrett, isn't he? I don't know. Anyway, if I die, then I deserve to die. I don't deserve to die. Why do you want to kill me? It means I get tombstone. Oh, copper coin. Don't forget the copper coin. 2 gel. Okay, how much copper coins I've got? 99. 99 cents. You ain't one of them. Because copper coins are cents. I like that song. One less. Well, it's not one less problem without you. Actually, if you knew what your grammar was, then it would be one fewer problems without you. Because that makes sense. Put it out on YouTube, everyone. It's all wrong. It's not that. Shouldn't be called that. You can see why I thought it was quite a long snow biome. I didn't even know they had biomes in this game, you know. Because when I was playing by myself, I just kind of just built one little house, and I thought, well, if I've got it, why don't I got it? And yeah, you can see how that thing worked. Oh yeah, I got that mandible, didn't I, in this place? Mandible? Mandible. I don't know. Mandible. That sounds right, but I don't know. What to stop? Vulture? Don't tell me there were vultures. It's a vulture. Well, I know what a vulture is in real life, but that's a turkey vulture. Turkey vulture. I love how I can just jump up walls and... What's wrong with this? Cactus. Has it got an illness? No, pink prickly pear. That's funny. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully you can hear this now. Another turkey vulture. I'm not actually scared anymore. Whoa. Oh, this is that red corruption. Crimson, that's it. Turns the world into blood. Oh, it's horrible. I don't like music. Oh, what is that? Nah, I don't like it. Oh, it makes horrible vertebrae. Oh, that's what NL6 got, isn't it? Oh God, I don't like it. I don't like it. Ah, I'm running. No, don't you dare come after me. Spider thing. Face monster. Oh yeah, that's what it's called, isn't it? Oh, blood crawler. Oh gosh, I didn't not like that. I love how every single time I die I spawn in my cemetery. God, that actually scared me. The Crimson. Yeah, there you go. Antlion Mandible. Not Mandible. Mandible. That's a weird word. I don't know whether that's probably something to do with its tooth or something. Anyway. Can I make any mana stars? Oh, yeah. Yay! So it's like 5, I guess. Don't need my shurikens. Woo! Except, sounded cool. Don't know if you can hear it. I really hope you can. Oh gosh, that was actually. Should we go back to the Crimson? Just to mine up my place. Oh, hello, goldfish. Gosh, I'm getting used to this game now. Oh, I didn't like that. That's awful. I need to get. I've heard of corruption before anyone 6 minutes, but I did not hear about the Crimson, and I don't like Crimson. I think the other one's a bit better than the Crimson. I don't know how we spawn in certain bosses then, because apparently some bosses can only be spawned in the corruption. I think it was called the Manita, that's not one. What was it called? I can't remember. It's like a giant worm thing. Who spawned in the corruption. Whether that means the corruption and... Come on down, birdie. I need it. Come here. Stupid bird. Okay, back to the desert. I need to kill this bird. And you, bird. Birds in me. Even though I'm a bird watcher. Oh, so close. I'm wondering if it drops something. I'm just being mean. Okay, let me have a little turkey butcher. Or big turkey butcher, actually. I must be a very small guy if that's how big a turkey butcher is. Turkey butchers aren't actually that big. They're quite big, but I feel like I'm ready to do some things. I know I've only got cactus armor, and I don't think that's very good, to be honest. Well, it means I'm a cactus, so. Not all bad. Yeah then, stupid butcher. Jump on your head. Super Mario style. Okay, this is the bit where it goes into the crimson. Pretty sure it's crimson. Oh god, another face monster. It makes a horrible noise. It's like a... And they're strong. They've got 70 health. Why is it called a face monster? Oh, I don't like it at all. I need that gravestone. It's humanitarianly wrong. Chimera. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Oh god, 2 more face monsters. Oh god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah. Inevitably. Okay, I'm not going back to Crimson until I'm a lot more health-wise. Sheesh. You're a bit hard on me, aren't you? Okay, let's put this zombie banner up because it looks cool. 2 seconds. No, I'm back. Sorry, I've got a job to do with my dad, so but no one's replying to us. Oh, it's horrible. I don't like it. It's horrible. I need to put it up to minutes. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm going to search up what this mandible is because it says it's a material, and also I need to know what a vertebrae is. So yeah, pink pushy can be placed, used to make pink dye. Ooh, cactus can be placed material, snow block. Okay,